and welcome to another episode of Madame Wesley, and today we're going to be looking at place value. We're going to be looking at tens and ones, and we're going to be using two-digit numbers. Now a one-digit number is a number like 2 or 6 or 8 because they've only got one digit. But today we're going to be looking at two-digit numbers, for example, 23, 46 and 51, all of which are two-digit numbers because they've got two digits. So this is a one-digit number and this is a two-digit number. Now when we're looking at our place value, we are looking at the two-digit numbers and looking at how many tens they have and how many ones. So we're separating the number into tens and ones. I'm going to show you using a variety of resources today. We're going to look at cubes, we're going to look at Numicon, and we're going to look at Deans. And they all show you different ways of representing two-digit numbers. So the first number we're going to look at is the number 13. So, I wonder if you can tell me how many tens 13 has. So, the number 13 has got 1 10 and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 10. So we put the 10 here and the 3 ones here, and all together that makes the number 13. If we were to count on 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1 10, 3 ones. So I would write 1 10, 3 ones. Now another way of representing this is using Numicon. I might use 1 10 and 3 ones. One group of 10, 3 ones. I can also show you using my Dean's equipment. So here I have 1 10 and 3 very small ones. 1 10 and 3 very small ones. Okay, let's look at another number. This time we're going to look at the number 36. Quite a lot bigger. So, how many tens does my number 36 have? The three tens goes into this column. And remember it's 3 tens. So 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. So this represents 30, 3 tens. And then 6 ones. So I'm going to show you what that would look like with cubes. So here is my 3 tens. As you can see, it's quite a lot more than 1 10. We've now got 3 tens. So we're going to count our 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. Let me just check that I've got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, so that's 10, 20, 30. And how many ones did I need? 6. So, here are my 6 ones, and these can be loose, as they're not a group. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's not enough to make another group of 10. If I had 10 ones in my hand, I could make it into a group of 10. And here, I'm going to show you 36 using Numicon. So I've got 3 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, and I've got 6 ones. And that makes 36. And now I'm going to show you using my Dean's equipment. So this is 3 tens and 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next number. Let's look at the number 25. See if you can have a go at home. How many 10s do you think 25 has? That's right, it has 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10. And how many ones? 5 ones. So 2 groups of 10, 5 ones. Remember, the 2 groups of 10 look like this. So what does 2 groups of 10 actually make? It makes 20. 10, 20. And then 5 ones. And here's my 5 ones. And now I'm going to represent that with numicron. So that would be 25. 2 groups of 10, 5 ones. And finally with Dean's, 2 groups of 10 and 5 little ones. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're just going to count in 10s together, because that's a skill that we really need to know when we're doing our place value. So we're going to count, we're going to clap as we say our 10s. When we get to 100, I want you to do this. We're going to do it 3 times. Really get it into our heads. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And again, make sure you're saying 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One last time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to give you some questions to do at home now. So, get a piece of paper or a pencil or whiteboard or pen. Make a chart that looks like this, 10s and 1s. I'm going to go onto a new sheet. So, here's my chart. So I draw a line down the middle and a line here, and I write 10s on my left side and 1s here. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 numbers that I want you to put into the 10s and 1 column. So we're going to put 56, 23, 5, 14 and 11. See if you can put those numbers into the correct column. And then we'll do it together and see if we got it right. Okay, so 56 has 5 10s and 6 1s. 23 has 2 10s and 3 1s. 5, oh, this is a tricky one. There's no 10s in the number 5, so we don't need to write anything on this side. It's just 5 1s. 14 has 1 10 and 4 1s. And 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. Okay, hope you enjoyed your lesson today with Madame Wesley. I'll see you next time.